Employment Hero Payroll's qualification management system is built for accuracy and automation. A specialist have helped hundreds of businesses move from spreadsheets to systematic tracking. We know what works. In this video, you learn how to establish qualification types, set up automated reminder system, and maintain a digital record of certifications. We'll also cover bulk importing qualifications, managing renewal dates, and run compliance checks. By the way, only full users or along with the restricted users who've been given a relevant access can access this tab here. So for us to go to qualifications, we can click on the payroll settings or the business here and then payroll settings. We also have the option to click the payroll settings here. So after click on payroll settings, go to qualifications. That should be under payroll settings. Okay, so we have here the list of qualifications that we have on this business. And if you want to add a new qualification, you can just click on add and scroll down below and enter the name of the qualification under the name field and click on save. And if you also want to edit the name of that qualification, you can click on this, the name itself, and then just edit the name here, how you would like to name that qualification, and just click on save again. Okay, and if you also want to delete a qualifications if that's no longer useful in your business, you can go ahead and click on the bin icon here. We can only delete qualifications if there's no employee link to it. Okay, the other option that we can do here is by exporting the qualifications. We can click on the export button here, and then we will be asked if what type of data you will be downloading, whether it's a template with employee data, or if you would like to include the terminated employees or just an empty template. And the format is an Excel spreadsheet, and just click on download. All right, and for you to go back to qualifications, you can just click here. By the way, by exporting your qualifications, it allows you to bulk update the employees' existing data. So, yeah. And next is import. So if you have already, for example, you have made some changes on the Excel file that you have exported and you have added a few more qualifications or other details, then you can also import it back by clicking the import button here and just select the file, the exported file that you have. All right, and that should also save the new files or the bulk data that you have added in the template. Okay, so those are the things that you can manage here as an employer, and your employees can also manage their qualifications through the employee portal, or in here you can also do that by going to employee list, and then go to the employee. So for example, we have Mary Lou, and you can find the qualification under the employee profile under pay run settings qualifications. And again, employee, for example, if the type of qualifications she has that, so they can just click on this plus icon for them to add it, and then they can select the date when it was issued to them, and also they can click on, for example, it has an expiry date. By the way, if they set an expiry date for that qualification, it would send them a reminder 7 days prior to expiration that they need to um, renew that certain qualification. And also they can enter the reference number here, and if they have a document, they can also upload a file, and you can go ahead and save it. All right. And other options they have, for example, if they can also delete or edit this by clicking on the pencil for them to edit it. If, for example, they want to change the issue date or the expiry date, then they can go ahead and do that. Or they can also delete, for example, if they no longer have that qualification. All right, so that's it. That's how you manage qualifications. Please let me know if you have questions. Thank you.